welcome back to another video. Today, this is video 2 for learning. So today we're gonna not do math already because it's just math all the time. So we're gonna do other subjects, so like English. But today it's an important and hard one, Chinese. Okay, Chinese. So Chinese, this is the Chinese in Mandarin. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm going to type it. It's named Hua Wen. So, this is the word called, this is Hua and this is Wen. Okay? So, we named it Hua Wen. Hua Wen. Okay? Okay, now let's go here. Now, here's our numbers, 0 to 10. So, here is 1. We call it, these are the numbers. These are the Mandarin numbers, and these are the Pin Yins. Pin Yin is a like this one, like E. We call it E. This we call R. This one we call San. This we call Shi. We call it O. 六七八九十. We have to go with sh, like sh and yeah, 是the是. But all the Chinese people say it's 十 every time, but we have to pronounce it super like, yeah, like 10. So we have to name it 十, and the last is 0. Ling. So that's why we call it 0 to 10. Now, you have to remember these 1 to 0, yeah, because there's a quizzes right there. But it's just colors, so you have to name colors. But not just colors, okay? Not just colors that you have to know. Numbers you also have to know, okay? These are important. So remember, now we're going to go 0 to 20. So let's go to the third PowerPoint. And let's see, numbers 11 to 20. So 11, we say 诗意. As you can see, at these lines, between this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's also like these. But when these, they also got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. But they got all 是. 11 to 19, they got 是, but 20 is like a 12, but it's upside down, because 12 is 12. 20, we say it 20, so it's like changing. So remember these. Okay, so let's do it again. Let's start from here. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, now we do it. You guys can read it. Okay, I'm gonna just stay here, and then you guys can pause the video thing and just read if you guys know. Okay, now let's go to the other one. Okay, now we're done about numbers 0 to 20. Now we're gonna learn about colors. So this, you guys have to know because there will be a quizzes here later. So let's use this. So colors. We call this yen sa. This is yen and this is sa. Yen sa. This is yen and this is sa. Yen sa. Yen sa. Now let's go here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colors. You have to know. These are very important. So this only that I know, but there's a lot of colors more. So if I know those, I can record, guys, another Chinese video, part 2, maybe module 2. So chapter 2 video. So let's just do chapter 1 here, finish all of these. So purple, you got it. 紫色,紫色,紫色,紫色. Blue, we say it. 蓝色,蓝色,蓝色. Yellow, we call it 黄色,黄色,黄色. White, we call it 白色,白色,白色. Black, we call it 黑色,黑色,黑色. Red, we call it 红色,红色,红色. Orange, we call it 橙色,橙色,橙色. And the last green, we call it 金色,金色,青色. Qing, qing, okay, not jing. Let me repeat again. 青色,青色,青色. Okay, now we have to I have to pause it again so guys can read, because you have to learn how to read, okay? You have to really learn. If you don't learn, then you don't know how. So you have to really learn Chinese, because Chinese is the really hard what it called I don't know. So but Chinese is the hardest. The Pinyin is a bit of a hard one. And the rights, yeah. So that's all. You have to just read this. This is just basic. This is like 6 years old have to know about these already. 0 to 10, 6 years old, and yeah, 6 years old. So these PowerPoints are just for 6 years old. But if you guys are Malay or anyone else that don't know Chinese, but if you guys are big than 6 years old and you guys don't know Chinese, then you can watch this video and learn. Okay, are you guys done learning? If you guys are done now, let's go to our exercise. Now, let's do some exercise. Let's do exercise 2. We're doing exercise 2 because last video, about times 1, we got it exercise 1. So let's do exercise 2. So get your notebook like last time, and do a question. There's only one question you have to know, okay? So these are rules. The rules, please listen to the question, okay? Listen to the question. Not this, but this question. This is a question. Okay, now rules. Please listen to the question, okay? Like I said just now. Fun. Okay, let's just delete it. Say how to play. Okay, let's just do it how to play then fun. Okay, how to play. Guess the correct answer by circle the sentences. So like circle these words. Maybe I don't just say sentences. Maybe I just do it word. Wait, let me see. Word. There. I have to get a little full stop here. Okay. Now, how to play. Guess the correct answer by circle the word. Circle these two words if you think that's right, okay? But since it's just a bit, let's not do a question. Let's do maybe 3 questions. I'll be practicing our there. So it's okay when I don't have those 3 questions. It's okay because I'm just gonna do another one and you guys can rest when I am typing it. Okay, so first, what is the word for purple? Is it this word or is it this word? This, we last time I just say, this we call it 紫色,紫色. This we call it 红色,红色. Tell me, guess, where is color of purple? Purple, where is it? Is it 紫色 or is it 红色? Okay, let me just wait for you guys. Okay, if you guys are done, then yeah, done I think. So let's do this. Okay, so question number 2. Okay, guys, you have to look carefully. I'm gonna speed up this. I don't think we have much time though. Okay, so second, what? Okay, there. What? What question? What is the number? Oh, hold on, I forgot that. 11 in Chinese. That's how you spell Chinese, right? Yeah. Yeah. How do I do it? In Chinese. Oh, oopsie. Sorry, guys. Here. What is the number 11 in Chinese? Is it... Wait, hold on. I'm gonna make it bigger. Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys. Is it 11? Or is it... Or is it E? Can you guys guess? Is it 11? Or is it E? Okay, guys, hold on. You guys can take a rest while I do this. Okay, let's make it 60 so it'll be big for us to see. Okay, so you guys pick the answer and write it down. Is it 11 or is it E? 11 or E? 11 or E? Okay, now for the third last before we end the video, we have to go super fast, dude. Okay, what is the meaning of... What's the meaning? Okay, let's just do what's. Like, what is... Oh my goodness. What's the meaning of... what do I want to do? Usher. What? Oh yeah, okay. Usher. In Pin Yin. I don't know how to do Pin Yin on Chinese, so I'm just gonna do that. Is it this or is it okay, this is easy question. I know everyone can do this. This is easy. You know this character, right? So let's do that. Uh-oh. Let's do that. Uh-oh. Ah, my goodness, I'm making mistakes. 0. Okay. Is it Usher or Shisan? Okay, so if you guys are done now, let's see the answer. So for first, I just forgot. So, hold on, let me delete this. I have to get a circle. How though? Never mind. Let's just get this. So the answer is 紫色. Okay, guys, you don't know, the answer is 紫色. Okay, let me do like that. Okay, can I? Oh my goodness, I'm making mistakes, guys. Hold on. I don't have even time. Okay, so let me do that. Put it in there. So as you guys can see, the answer is 紫色. 紫色. If you guys are wrong, then do 紫色. Now for the next, what is the number 是一 in Chinese? 是一 or this? 一. Everything is just easy, guys. It's definitely 是一 because you guys see the Pin Yin. Just see the Pin Yin, okay? Okay, well, let's put it there. Now the answer is 是一. The last is, what's the meaning of Usher in Pin Yin? Is it R and a sh, or is it a sh and a san? The answer is this one. So there. So the answer is 紫色, 十一, and 20. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell button so if you never miss any of my videos. So Chinese, we're gonna do like English and mathematics, okay? So bye. It's been 17 minutes. It's, yeah, so long. So I have to end the video right now. So bye.